Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas is also known as National Law Day in India, and it is celebrated on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. 26 November has its own importance in the history of independent India, because on this day in 1949, the Constitution of India was adopted and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a renowned social reformer, politician and jurist, and is also called the father of the Indian Constitution. He was appointed as the chairman of Constitution Drafting Committee on August 29, 1947. In May 2015, on 125th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the Drafting Committee of the Constitution, the Union Cabinet announces that 26 November will be observed as Constitutional Day to promote constitutional values among citizens.
भारत सरकार ने इसे संविधान दिवस के रूप में हर वर्ष मनाने का निर्णय किया है। देश भर में संविधान के प्रति जागरूकता बढ़े, विद्यार्थियों में भी संविधान के प्रियम्बल का पाठ हो और एक सहज अपने स्वभाव का हिस्सा बने धीरे धीरे, ये हमारा प्रयास।
Significance of Constitution Day of India. Constitution Day of India is celebrated to promote a sense of respect among the citizen for the constitutional value. The Constituent Assembly was the first parliament of independent India. Dr. Satyanarayana Sinha was the first president of the Constituent Assembly when it met on 9 December 1946. The Constituent Assembly sat for a total of 11 sessions. The 11th session was held between 14 to 26 November 1949, and on 26 November 1949, the final draft of the Constitution was ready. On 24 January 1950, 284 members of the Constituent Assembly signed the Indian Constitution of the Constitution Hall, now known as Central Hall of Parliament in New Delhi. Prior to the Constituent Assembly, the fundamental law of India was mostly embodied on the series of statutes enacted by the British Parliament. The original copy of the Constitution was written by Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada by hand. It is written in italics letter through excellent calligraphy. Every page of it was decorated by the artist from Shantiniketan. Original copies of the Constitution were written in two languages, Hindi and English. They are still kept safe in the helium-filled boxes in the Parliament of India. Before being finalized, as many as 2,000 amendments were made to the Constitution. The national emblem, the lion capital of Ashoka, was adopted on 26 January 1950. It has 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back that symbolize power, courage, pride and confidence. The Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. Many parts of it are taken from the Constitution of the United Kingdom, America, Germany, Ireland, Australia, Canada and Japan. The Constitution of India is divided into 25 parts, 448 articles and 12 lists. The Indian Constitution is the largest written constitution in the world. The Constitution declares India a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. And that's why the Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. The document lays down the framework that democrates fundamental political code, structure, procedure, powers and duties of government institution and sets out the fundamental rights, directive principles and the duties of citizen. Jai Hind.